Ready to jump into the Solana ecosystem, but your Phantom wallet's looking a little empty? Don't worry, in the next minute and a half, I'll show you exactly how to top it up. First, open your Phantom wallet and look for the central part of the screen. You should see a button that says deposit. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a new window. Fantastic! You'll now see a few different options for adding funds. The easiest way, if you already have Sol in another wallet, like on an exchange such as Coinbase or Binance, is to choose the transfer from another wallet option. Select the Show My Sol address option now. You'll see your unique Solana wallet address displayed as a string of letters and numbers. There will be copied button either directly next to it or below. Give that a tap. Now head over to the wallet or exchange where your Sol is currently located. In most exchanges, you will need to find the send or withdraw function. It is often located under your wallet. Paste the Phantom wallet address that you just copied into the destination field. Enter the amount of Sol you want to transfer. Double-check the address for accuracy, as this is extremely important. And confirm the transaction on the exchange. Keep in mind all transfers and transactions require a small gas fee, so factor that into the amount of Sol you wish to transfer. After a few minutes, the SOL should appear in your Phantom wallet. Now, if you don't have Sol elsewhere, you can also buy it directly within Phantom. From the main screen, instead of choosing the deposit option, let's select the buy button, where you will be presented with various options for purchasing Sol directly using a credit card or other payment methods. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the purchase, and your newly acquired Sol will be added to your wallet instantly. You can also use the request option to receive crypto payments from others. Now you're all set to explore the world of Solana with funds in your wallet.